Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. This is a shirt. It is royal blue, size large, and I'm holding my microphone because I'm going to try this on for you. Hopefully you can still hear me. It looks like the sound is still coming through, hopefully. So let's open this up. It comes packed super tight. You see as I opened it up, it's going to be twice as big. And here, it's kind of like a thermally kind of knitish shirt. Let me show you guys what it looks like up close. You can see it's got that kind of texture stuff going on to it, and it's got a nice pocket thing. And then there's the tag. I have a size large, and I usually wear a size large or medium. Let me see what this is made of. Is it going to show me here on the side here? Yes. This one here is 100% polyester. So let me try it on. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I am about 190 pounds or slightly under today. As my diet is starting to work. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Wow, this is really comfortable. It's got a good, thick, heavyweight feel, but it's not like super, super bad. But look at this. This is a nice shirt. I'm going to aim you guys a little over here so you can see the length. There we go. I'm wearing shorts, but you get the idea. When I put my arms down, it doesn't go down. It would if it has a cuff on it, but if it didn't have a cuff, it would probably go down to the middle of my hand, but because it has that. So it's got a nice long sleeve, so if you like ones with long sleeve where you can put your hands out and not have it bunch up too much. I mean, I guess I could do that, it'll bunch up a little bit. But this is nice. I like the color of it too, for me. This is what it looks like in the back. It's kind of just a uniform length all around. Seems good to me. And it's definitely got space in it here, and I'm in a large. Probably could have gotten away with even a medium for me. But, for something like this, you wouldn't necessarily want to wear it too tight. And it's got the pocket up here so I could stick my microphone in it. There we go. I didn't even notice I was so far away from my microphone. But you get the idea. And so this is the short, and really nice, really comfortable. I like it. Totally awesome. Thumbs up from me.